Today is the moving out day. Congratulations! Solo ako.
Magna cum laude.
Hey guys, good morning. This is me at 4:30 in the morning doing my makeup because I forgot that today is our baccalaureate mass, so I have to get ready and go to Manila at around 5:30 a.m. to make it on time. Kasi I'll be doing the first reading sa Bible, kaya naman di ako pwedeng malate or absent. Therefore, nagmamadali. Here at Starbucks and the meeting graduation. Congratulations! Ilalagay ko to. Guys, tapos na yung graduation niya. Kain na. Congrats! Okay mo? Ano ba yan? Pumila, pero ewan ko na kung naririnig mo ako, pero syempre may hila ako mag-vlog. Pero okay na to, graduate na ako, last na to. Wala kang mahiya ka. Raj, saan tayo pila? Saan tayo pila? Hindi ko alam eh. Sila? Nasa na kayo sila? Nagwe-wait lang kami guys. Guys, hello? Hello? Hi ka muna. Sobrang happy, hello po. With himself. Kailangan natin to i-document. Documentation. Ay, may selfie. Hi, Abby. Welcome to our vlog. Solo ako? Ako lang. Tawag sila. Hi ka muna, Rach. Hindi sagutan sa'yo. Pwede ba kayo sa vlog? Hi muna kayo guys. Ang tagal lang ano lalo, tapos ngayon lang ako nag-video, di ba? Asan na si Abby? Si Abby.
Hi, vlog. Ate. Tinitake over ko nga po pa yung vlog ni ate. So today, it's her graduation, kasi why not? Our personal photographer.
Gago, galing ko doon.
Congrats ate. Mahal na mahal namin yan. Take over ko yung vlog niya kasi why not? Mag-hi ka sa vlog. Mag-hi ka sa vlog.
Hi mo kayo sa vlog.
Photographer.
Hi po.
Photographer. Pakita mo muna. Wala ka. Meron pala.
Ako po
Sa bar. Sa kayo?
Sa bar.
Thank you guys. Bye ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Again. Daiki Francine Luis Concepcion.
Panoy Elaine Garrido.
My favorite and everything.
Like this ba? From here.
Oh my gosh, this would be... Hey guys, today is September and today is the moving out day. So guys, I have already packed my things. Inayos ko na to last week pa kasi nga I don't want to do the packing kung kailan ako mag-move out. But I still fixed some of it now. So I have 2 luggages and then my pillows, ganyan. I have 4 paper bags with me. And then, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 eco bag. 1 is yung sobrang daming laman. Ayan. Then, my hotdog pillow. Then, of course, I'll be bringing home yung multipurpose cooker, ganyan. It's a bittersweet feeling na I finished college already. So I am unemployed right now. Then now I'll be moving out of my dorm, which has been my dorm for 1 year and 6 months. So parang 2 years na din. So I've been living in Manila about 2 years because yung other 4 months sa Pasig ako nagsistay nun. So I'll put you guys here. It's really bittersweet for me because grabe, parang I'm a whole lot of new person compared to the girl that I was 2 or 3 years ago. And I have been staying in this dorm, yun nga, 1 year and 6 months because after the 6 months contract, I moved out and then I stayed sa Pasig and then after that, I moved back in here sa dorm na to. This very dorm. And it holds a lot of memories kasi yun nga, yung first 6 months ko, iba yung mga kasama ko noon. Those are my good friends, my classmates and good friends. And right now, iba naman yung kasama ko ngayon. Although si Ate Rose, kasama ko pa din siya. Siya yung kasama ko nung 6 months contract, siya pa rin yung kasama ko ngayon. But she already moved out yesterday. And ayun, yung meron naman kaming dalawang new na kasama and they're very good people as well and got close with them. So ayun, so pare-parehas na kami mag-move out and sila syempre studying pa sila ganyan. And for us naman, of course, we already graduated, so what else can we do here, diba? But I don't know, plans might change, so hindi ko pa alam. Maybe kung mag-apartment man ulit, kung mag-stay man ako ulit sa Manila, maybe apartment na, ganun. But I don't know, guys. Ngayon, hindi ako naiiyak, to be honest. Although, syempre, mamimiss ko yung friends. Mamimiss ko yung mga aya nila. O, tara na, kain tayo dito, kape tayo, ganyan. Ang dami talagang na-build na memories. Although, hindi ako naiiyak ngayon na. Nung 6 months kasi, naiiyak talaga ako na. Parang ayoko pa umalis. Ganun. Pero, grabe, 1 year contract to. Pero, sobrang bilis ng mga nangyari. Parang, yun na yun. September na ulit ngayon. Mag-move out na kami ngayon. Alis na kami ngayon. Although, have already prepared myself na, ayun nga, na aalis na ako. Kasi wala na akong school, ganyan. Siguro kasi kaya ako niyak pa nung 6 months contract. Kasi, I know for sure na mahihirapan ako. Kasi nga, meron pa kaming internship, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Hindi pa tapos yung school year. So, that time, siguro naiyak talaga ako nun kasi syempre stress din. So, wala, baka maghahanap na naman ako ng bagong lilipatan, ganyan. And syempre yung hassle ng paglilipat ng gamit. Already graduated last August lang. And Miguel and I were parang wala pa 24 hours apart yung day ng graduation namin kasi 18 siya, 19 ako. So, I'm also excited for the new journey. I don't know about it yet. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw, sa mga susunod na buwan. But one thing's for sure, na I am so thankful, I'm so grateful for my family. Well, syempre, kay God, thank you so much. Kasi I survived college. And here I am. I'm already finished studying. But parang gusto ko mag-masters. Pero susunod din. And so I'm very thankful talaga na I got to finish college on time. Like without repeating subjects, yung mga ganon, without back subjects, yung mga ganon. I finished my thesis, ganyan, and not so colorful. I admit that, na hindi ako flying colors sa thesis, but at least I finished. Now, wala! Ito na tayo tambay. Certified tambay na tayo ngayon, di ba? And I can't wait to give back to my family kasi I'm really thankful that I got to experience college and I have the privilege, diba? The responsibility in life will always be there and, you know, lalo lang siya mag-up ng mag-up kasi nga, parang, of course, nape-pressure ako in life. Hindi ko sinasabi, wala ito makasi ako, pero ngayon, from being sentimental sa dorm, madami marang sinabi din. Pero yun kasi, parang, mag-aaral na lang kaya ako ulit. Kasi nahirap eh. O, 18?